Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we will explore the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since September 25, 2024, our system has identified the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 1.88. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a loss of negative 2.33%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.29% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 7.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.55% to 15.83%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it signifies a change of 7.19% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 2.03% and 18.92%. This corresponds to a price range of $97.49 to $113.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond presents the headline: iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price ended at $95.55 on Friday after losing 1.23%. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price decreased by 1.23% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, dropping from $96.74 to $95.55. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.587%, with a day low of $95.40 and a day high of $95.96. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 3.37% during this period. Trading volume rose on the last day by 16 million shares, albeit amid falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk may increase slightly in the coming days. In total, 54 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $82.42. Currently, the price sits 5.99%, or $6.09, below the 52-week high, and 46.83%, or $84.15, below the all-time high reached on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. Recent developments surrounding TLT, the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, highlight significant movements in Treasury yields that could influence its stock price. On the 3rd of October, a long-term analysis of Treasury yields showed consistent trends, with higher yielding with rising inflation expectations, further complicating the investment landscape. Despite the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut, TLT experienced a noteworthy decline, down approximately 3.5% since its September peak. This reaction indicates that investors anticipated a rally, which did not materialize. Instead, yields on 10-year and longer duration bonds have increased following the cut, suggesting that market dynamics may not align with Federal Reserve actions. This could signal a cautious outlook amid rising inflation fears, potentially leading to higher bond yields and a depressed TLT price in the short term. The momentum in TLT is further impacted by its performance in the third quarter, where it was among the top 10 most traded ETFs. Increased trading volume often implies heightened investor interest, yet the current climate may compel many to reassess their strategies given the growing inflation concerns and its subsequent effect on yields on TLT and TLT's valuation. In the long run, if inflation persists and Federal Reserve policy remains accommodative, TLT's performance may be adversely affected as investors seek out assets less susceptible to rising yields. Thus, while TLT garnered interest, the interplay of Federal Reserve policy, inflation, and bond yields will be pivotal in shaping its trajectory. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $97.60 and $98.65. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 5.70%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 7 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 53 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 74 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond experiences support from accumulated volume at $95.31. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is deemed very low for this stock. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $0.56 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.587%. For the past week, the fund has shown an average daily volatility of 0.776%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is at $97.75. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond encounters its first support level at $95.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a good investment? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that this ETF will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this investment is negative. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 7th of October, we expect the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond to open at approximately 8 cents and begin trading at $95.64. We remind you that trading comes with significant risks, including the potential loss of your capital. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.